Hey, how you guys doing?
How's everybody doing?
We're just checking on in. What you want to say?
We got a surprise.
Yeah.
We're actually going to change our name.
Yep. We're gonna make it a little bit more easy for people to kind of follow us along.
Exactly. So we've been in it since March? Pretty much March of this year. We've been traveling for over a year now, but March is actually when we kind of really launched our YouTube channel and got started. And we noticed that a lot of people have been referring us as playing outside after 50.
Yep.
Which is our slogan that we use quite often. So we decided to change the name to
Playing Outside After 50.
Exactly. And we'll check in.
We like that part. Yeah, we're always checking in. So that's what we do. We kind of check in. So
that's going to be our new slogan.
So we've been, again, just to briefly go over what we've been doing. We've been traveling for a really long time. We've been wanting to do this RV lifestyle for a while. We've been inspired by many other YouTubers along the way. And we finally jumped into it. And we're coming up on a year with this rig. And we love it. We love learning about it. We love talking with you guys. We definitely love interacting with the comments. We really look forward to seeing you guys out there on the road. We love watching all the other YouTubers out on the road. Shout out to all the YouTubers doing their thing and pretty much sharing their journey like we are.
Correct. We just wanted to check in with everybody and let everybody know that our name has changed. Same people. Same experience. Great videos. We love when you like, subscribe, and like our channel. We just wanted to say continue to follow us. We appreciate it. Yes,
we definitely appreciate the support. We want to continue to grow. We want to continue to share our content and see where this YouTube thing takes us. So far, it's been a real good journey, and we want it to continue.
I agree. So the next thing up will be a video on the little can't remember the name. It got the strangest little name. The little RV park.
Which one?
The one that we off of I-10 going home.
Oh, All About Relaxing RV, is it? I think it's All About Relaxing RV Park.
I think so too. I think that is. Well, you'll see.
I'm almost positive it's All About Relaxing RV. And I think, was that Alabama?
Alabama. Off of I-10.
I-10.
We love that little park. It's great. It's cozy. It's, I would say, a mom and pop establishment. And if I had to do a park, I would do it like this.
Oh, yeah. They definitely got all the goodness all in one little spot. But you don't feel crowded. But you also have that.
It's a little tight. The sites are a little tight.
It still gives you that one-on-one feel.
Yeah, but they're quaint and they're cute.
So yeah, right off of I-10.
Yeah, I love it. All right, watch the rest of the video.
All right, Playing Outside After 50.
We'll check in.
Enormous.
Good, how you doing?
Great, man. You okay?
Yes, sir. My wife, Doris.
Hi.
Nice to meet y'all.
Yes.
What's your name?
Jimmy. Nice
Jimmy?
to meet you.
Okay.
All right, guys. Y'all ever been here?
No, sir.
Thank y'all for coming.
Yeah.
Okay? We're going to go to site number 16. It's a pull-through site, so
Okay.
it's easy peasy. Just follow me through that gate right there and just follow me around the site, okay?
Cool.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
All right.
Enormous. Continuous.
So we just pulled in, all about relaxing RV park. I gotta tell you, another grand slam. Doris did it again, but she was actually referred to by another lady who she was talking to. They were a little bit far off of I-10. This is literally about 5 miles off of I-10. 7 years old. Shout out to the owner, Jimmy, and his wife, I believe is Abigail or Agnes. I'll double check that. But another great spot. So we literally just pulled in. It started raining a little bit. A little sun shower. The sun is behind me, back there. We're gonna go into town, see what's around in the area, probably get something to eat. But great place already, I can tell you. Very clean, and we'll have a good place to rest tonight, and then back on the road. So just checking in and letting you know we found another good one. All about relaxing RV resort, Alabama. What is it off of exit? What was that exit? Exit 10. Off of exit 10. As a matter of fact, it shares the exit to one of my favorite movies, Forrest Gump, Bayou La Battery. That's one of the exits for Bayou La Battery. You go, instead of going to Bayou La Battery, you go to, I think it's called Dawson. So, but we'll check in a little bit more.
Enormous continuous.
This is the relaxed portion, the outdoor portion of the All About Relaxing RV Resort.
Oh, look at this one.
This is pretty cool.
How this works.
Doris is gonna go ahead and test a little.
Let me demonstrate for you.
There you go. Got a little swing going.
It's gonna be relaxing.
Look at that.
Wonderful.
So our little RV is right there. That's Miss Angela, one of the owners. Well, the owner. Her and her husband Jimmy. This place is amazing. So as you can see, they got a little area where you can play a little outdoor chess.
Love it. I don't know how to play chess though.
Yeah, I can play chess. So we can get
the
that.
boys all know how to play chess.
So here we got a little hammock.
See that here in this thing.
Yep. Put that in there.
Let me see.
There it is.
Whoops.
It's all good. You make it work. There we go.
With your pillow.
And right now, I'll tell you, where we were just standing, we were standing and talking to Angela. I was sweating bullets and I forgot to have my sweat towel. But right now, where we're at is a breeze right now. It is cool. We can stay here forever, right or wrong?
Correct, because she said this side is the back end site. And it has the shade in the back, so everybody loves this. We got a pull-in, which is directly in the sun across the street. So
yeah,
this is nice.
So we got a pull-in site, which is cool, but then the back ends, all the back ends have this on their backyard side, which these trees have tremendous shade. I'm telling you, we were literally just standing over there and I was sweating through my shirt. So, but this is just a little portion to show you about this place. I'll help you up there.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So plenty of shade back here. I think I said it before, but this place has been in operation 7 years. It's Jimmy and Angela. They own it and they run it really, really well. There's another little spot over here we're gonna walk to that has another outdoor area. Oh, you want that in the backyard? Okay. Did you already video that other side?
No, I didn't. Let's go down there because it is so cute.
All right, we're gonna go down there.
Go down there.
So again, if you're traveling east on I-10, exit 10. If you're traveling west on I-10, it's exit 13, and it's in Theodore, Alabama. Oh, hold up, we got a little horseshoes going on there. A little horseshoe section right there.
Is there a horseshoe?
Yep, that's a horseshoe.
Oh.
Here go one right here. Let's see if we can get one for the. See if we can. One time for CH. Oh, got there. Woo!
Oh no.
Hit a little bit there. I am a little close though. Well, I think I would have got 2 points on that. But yeah. So they have this little horseshoe area right here.
Definitely old school.
Yeah, that's old school. So I was saying, exit, 13. If you're coming west, it's in Theodore, Alabama. It's literally 5 minutes from I-10. And clean, well run. We got the little cornhole situation right there. Here's some other sitting area.
The porch.
Okay, yeah, the porch. Here goes. They got 2 of them, so this is the porch. But look, check it out. Look at that. Come in here. Welcome to the porch. Little bird feeder there. Nice little, again, in the shade. It's really nice here. You got your bags for your cornhole. You got a nice little rocking chair here.
Very nice.
Nice in the shade. Yes, sir.
Angela's amazing.
Yes, yes. That's Mr. Jimmy back there, owner, saying hey.
I love his landscaping. Gorgeous. Love all the flowers, the trees, the little details that he put in. Like Angela put the signs up.
Yeah.
Makes you feel warm and cozy. Love it.
I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. Now, don't judge the singing. I'm just trying to read the thing for y'all. I mean, they thought of everything. They thought of everything.
Little touches everywhere.
Because the other one that says
wonderful details.
Yeah, the little details.
Always 5 o'clock here.
Bam. Got a little squirrel back there enjoying this place just as well. Another little rocking chair here. So, just wanted to share with y'all how beautiful this place is. We highly recommend it. It's definitely going to be on our list for
Traveling back and forth to Texas.
Yeah, when we go to Texas, this will probably be our first stop to rest, and then probably hit Beaumont somewhere in there. We don't know any areas in Beaumont, Texas, so if you know of any Beaumont, Texas area RV sites, let us know in the comments, because again, we're still learning and mapping out routes. Obviously the pool's back there to give the people their privacy. I don't want to really get anybody on camera without asking them, but okay, it's a really pretty pool. Did you get the bathhouse?
I did, but we can go in here real
Got the
quick.
bathhouse. Look at some more rocking chairs just to sit down and relax.
Just wanted to show you guys this little cute laundry room they have over here. Look at this. Too cute. Very, very clean facilities. Let me put the light on for you. Nice shower. Wonderful bathhouse. They have 1, 2, 3, and then 1 if you're handicapped. Isn't that nice? Your wheelchair accessible area.
So But yeah, in a nutshell,
We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves here.
yes, all about relaxing RV, Theodore, Alabama. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Highly recommend. That's our little site over there. And again, that's who's coming in. I think Doris got a little clip of it, but again, you come in and I pulled in and look, it's still there. It says Site 16. They got your name on the little chalkboard there. So it's a pretty nice little touch there. I really like that. And these people were really friendly and really amazing. So
Yes, they are.
again, checking out. This is the Shakedown trip for our turtle escape. Oh yeah, how was the sleep? How was it?
I had a very restful night. Only thing is that I think it'll be wonderful during the winter months when you can take the blinds off and you have more light inside and it won't feel so claustrophobic.
Right.
But it was great.
Yeah, I have all the shades up, covering the windows because obviously it's hot, and keep it as cool as possible. But what
It's
about
like
the?
It's like 100 degrees.
What about the comfortable? Were you able to sleep okay? That big enough?
Perfect.
So again, I had bought a sheet set, but it was too small. And I'm like, what the heck? So ends up there's a queen size bed in there that we. So yeah,
it's
I
a
got the
queen
right
size
size.
bed.
It's
The
a
bed
queen
was-
size
It's
bed.
comfortable and everything.
Yeah, so we both slept there fine. So.
Jose didn't leave me enough space for my stuff.
Oh yeah, so yes, for so storage, I pretty much had everything in. I was in it for a month, so she
He
came.
took all the cupboards.
Yeah. So but I already made some room for it, so now she has a little spot in there. So, but yeah, this is a good little rig that we got. We're happy to get it. I'm glad it served its purpose for us. When we come back, we'll be in Mary Carmen, which is our big reflection 315. So again, we're gonna be signing out, heading back on the road, going home.
Bye.
Thank you for the support. Take care. We have our turtle. That's what she called the turtle. It's a Spree Escape 14-foot travel trailer, which I'm touring with the Black Beauty. So our Tundra, we call her the Black Beauty. Our F-250 Burgundy, we call her Big Red. Grand Design Reflection, we call that one Mary Carmen. And this one will be called the Turtle. Doris says it reminds her of a turtle.